Hello and welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be looking at the crazy powerful and impressive machines operating at an insane level. We'll show you how they move and function too. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to like the video and subscribe to see more like it. Now let's get straight into the video. The Drum Cutter DC2000 is a cutting equipment made specifically for the construction industry. It has a 720mm diameter, a 720mm diameter cutter head, and a 20 to 35 carrying device. Its 120 kilowatt driving power enables it to handle even the most difficult jobs, assuring timely and cost-effective project completion. The machine also boasts a 17.5 Newton-meter torque output, which gives it strength and accuracy needed to tackle difficult materials. It can survive the worst conditions on construction sites with its 2,000 kilogram weight and heavy-duty build, assuring it will continue to offer top-notch cutting services for years to come. The Drum Cutter DC2000 is a crucial instrument for the building sector overall. This is the M3 amphibious rig, which is a self-propelled amphibious bridging vehicle and ferrying vehicle. This machine is designed to help in the projection of tanks and other vehicles across water obstacles. Since it's a 4x4 wheeled device, it can work even in challenging terrains and roads until maintain a speed of 80 kilometers per hour. But let's not forget that it's an amphibious vehicle too, meaning it has two large aluminum pontoons that can be deployed along the length of its hull whenever tasks need to be done in water. The operator just needs to get out of the vehicle cab and operate the pontoon through the controls located on top of the hull. The M3 is propelled and steered by two fully traversable pump jets at speeds of up to 14 kilometers per hour. This 25.6-ton machine is called the GXT 2555R. It's a mobile shear that's used to process steel and other materials more efficiently in scrap and demolition applications and fit on smaller carriers. This machine promises to deliver high power even when it's significantly shorter and lighter compared to other shears. It also has a bolt-on piercing tip that encapsulates the front of the upper jaw. Thanks to this feature, the machine can experience lesser risk of damage and reduced welding buildup and downtime. This mobile shear is also designed to have short primary cutting blades. This positions the apex closer to the rear of the jaws, which causes the machine to draw material further into the jaws where higher force makes efficient cuts. Thanks to its lower shear height, the operator can now have better visibility during operations. The Liebherr P995 is a big, strong machine that is frequently used in mining and construction. Its working weight is 439,000 pounds. Its potent 1,750 kilowatts or 2,346 horsepower engine output enables it to carry out a variety of duties, from digging and excavating to lifting and moving heavy items. With a capacity of 11.12 to 32.70 cubic yards, the P995's backhoe bucket can hold a range of materials, including soil and tiny to large bulkers. The machine is a dependable and trustworthy option for hard work in the construction and mining industries because of its long lifespan and reputation for dependability. With an 818 horsepower engine, the continuous miner Komatsu JO412 CM12 can handle even the most difficult tasks. It can handle a variety of materials with ease thanks to its cutting height, which extends from 145 to 181 inches. This also offers great performance with a solid head-cutting head system and 38-in conveyor width. It's designed for mid to high seam standard width entry applications. The high-performance engine provides maximum efficiency and dependability, ensuring that jobs are finished quickly and effectively. This machine is built with the newest technologies to deliver exceptional productivity under demanding circumstances. Next up, this is the folding trailer developed and built by the company Mobis. This machine has been amazing in terms of helping the wood industry even beyond the borders of the country. By only looking at some of its main features, you can see that this machine is designed to really go beyond borders. For example, this can be loaded hydraulically onto the towing vehicle to reduce LSVA fees. As a result, only the towing vehicle is taxed when it's moving empty, and its traction improves as a result, making it much easier to manage. This machine is also available in different variants meant to meet the specific and different needs of operators and work sites. The MK88-4.1 is a mobile construction crane that's effective and adaptable for usage in urban settings. It can fit into small locations thanks to its tiny and agile design, and it works swiftly and effectively. The crane is widely employed as a taxi crane, and a variety of applications call for its versatility and short-term hauling capability. The MK88-4.1's standard compliance with EN 14439 guarantees that it fulfills the highest safety and performance standards in the industry, and it's one of its important features. The crane has a maximum lifting capacity of 17,936 pounds, a maximum radius of 4,850 pounds, and a hook height of 99 feet. The crane's luft jib position may be altered to 3 different angles, including 15, 30, and 45 degrees, giving it more adaptability and latitude in the kinds of tasks it can carry out. A great addition to any work site, the MK88-4.1 is a dependable and effective construction crane that's well suited for a variety of applications. By February 2020, a team had to remove a swampy region close to a river so that they could build a bridge while making sure that there were no nesting birds there. The traditional approach would have taken 5 days and required a regular excavator, trucks, and a crane. The team debated utilizing the Big Float E15, an amphibious excavator that can go on both land and water in order to save time and money. The machine's tilt and rotating head, Reed's grapple, Takuchi, and sorting grapple allowed it to remove the seeds and bushes effectively and without doing much damage to the environment. Steel plates were not required, saving time and money during preparation thanks to the Big Float E15. The crew was able to complete the project faster, more cheaply, and with less of an impact on the environment thanks to this considerable advancement over the traditional approach. The accomplishment of this project highlights the possibilities of amphibious excavators in difficult construction projects and highlights how important it is to think outside the box. The CAT D11T dozer is a powerful machine designed to enhance dozing efficiency and reduce costs. Its advanced features, such as a torque divider with stator clutch, improved drivetrain efficiency and fuel consumption. The dozer also features high horsepower reverse, reducing cycle time and speeding up non-productive traveling. Its load-sensing hydraulics makes it more responsive and capable of handling heavier loads. The dozer is equipped with integrated technologies, providing more informed operators and maximizing productivity. On the other hand, the Caterpillar D10T is a robust and adaptable piece of equipment made for heavy-duty uses, mostly in agriculture and construction. Its enormous cab height of 13.4 feet provides a commanding perspective of the surroundings, while its 2.2 feet of ground clearance enables it to travel across difficult terrain. The equipment is perfect for jobs like leveling, grading, and earth moving because of its 30.4-foot blade and 12.7-foot track length. It's simpler to maneuver the machine through confined locations due to its 10.4 feet width over the tracks. One of the most potent vehicles in its class, its turbocharged diesel engine, with a displacement of 1,647.5 cubic inches, generates a gross output of 646 horsepower. Dredging is a crucial activity for societal development and supports economic expansion in many nations. Dragflow, a business established in the early 1980s, has led this industry in providing submersible pumps and dredging equipment for more than 25 years. The company is known around the world for its experience in dredging operations and offers a wide range of equipment, including electric pumps, hydraulic pumps, DRH, and DRP dredges. Compared to conventional hydraulic pumps, electric pumps are quieter, more environmentally friendly, and need less maintenance. Greater power and efficiency from hydraulic pumps make them perfect for more demanding jobs. Dragflow's DRH and DRP dredges are designed to meet the specific needs of each project, with the DRH dredge being versatile and suitable for a wide range of applications, while the DRP dredge is specifically designed for deeper dredging projects. Next up, this is the Topkeeper Pro. This is meant to help in maintaining artificial grass and can even function in the removal of moss. One of the things it boasts about is the fact that it's very easy to assemble and its head is designed to fit most of the well-known brush cutter and strimmers brands. To use, the operator just needs to attach the tool to the strimmer. It comes with the Topkeeper head, the strimmer attachment, and 2 foam pads. Place the Topkeeper head on the appropriate cleaning location while protecting the turf with foam pads. Since the head deeply penetrates the turf without harming the grass, no pressure is required. Cover the entire space backwards, starting at the edge and advancing slowly toward the center. If the area is big, repeat the procedure multiple times, working backwards each time to get rid of all the moss and debris. Moving forward, this list also has the Diablo, which is a high-end subsoiler by Mashisho Gaspardo. This is a subsoiler in a trailed version, and it's really designed to have a folding frame as well as a working width of up to 7 meters. The size of this machine demands an engine that can provide power ranging from 400 to 600 horsepower. But this is only right because the machine itself has around 11 to 15 tons and can work to a depth of 45 centimeters. With firmly bolted tines attached to a frame attached to the main frame of the wings, the Diablo frame is strong and durable. Even on difficult soils, it provides strength and stability. 9 hydraulic cylinders automate Diablo's movements, and each of its wings, wheels, rear disc harrows, and front drawbars can be operated independently. High ground clearance is provided by the bolted mount configuration of the CSA tines. The P&H 2800 XPC is an electric rope shovel that has a nominal payload of 65 standard tons. Moreover, its dipper has a capacity of 35 to 44 yards cubed, which helps reach the production rate of 6,285 to 8,381 TPH. This machine is truly designed to provide high levels of productivity even in tough environments. This electric rope shovel has an outstanding digging power and faster cycle times that helps give the operator and the working site productive, reliable, low-cost per ton workhorse. It's also equipped with an AC electrical system designed to move materials quickly as well as different features that deliver high cutting forces. With its heavy-duty design and body, this machine can last any operator years of dependable service even in tough environments. The Touchel Sweep WB750 weed brush is a cutting-edge instrument for eliminating invasive weeds naturally. With a 750mm diameter, this hydraulically operated brush fits excavators, tractors, wheel loaders, and municipal vehicles. Flat wire bundles on the brush guarantee the removal of even tenacious dirt. The weed brush's mechanical side shift makes it possible to access edge areas, which is one of its important characteristics. The ability to remove weeds with the greatest effectiveness is provided by this feature. The brush's customizable tilt angle adjustment also allows it to be adjusted for the best possible scratching effect. The weed brush's standard equipment includes an adjustable anti-sling cloth to stop debris from flying around uncontrollably. Each machine can be customized and changed to fulfill unique requirements. With the new D150T mining truck by Dramis International, 150 metric tons of gold ore can now be hauled over a distance of 144 kilometers back and forth. Even when the road is made up of crushed rocks with 8% slopes and the whole journey requires cruising at 50 kilometers per hour while loaded, this truck will still deliver impressive performance. The D150T operates in a mine located in Kavlak region in Nunavut, Canada's Great North, where temperatures can drop below 45 degrees Celsius. It's powered by an X15 engine that can deliver 605 horsepower as well as an Allison 6620A automatic transmission. Holzo Agrosystem has been known to provide products and services that help in slurry mixing. Ever since they started, they've never failed to send out a powerful slurry mixer, a highly effective separator, and even a high-suction slurry pump. For example, they have the Holzo Manure Mixer, which has a radius of action that can reach up to 370 degrees. Its container depth on the lower level is 18 meters, while the upper level is at 20 meters. When it comes to propeller rotation, this machine can reach 700 RPM with a propeller diameter of 70 centimeters and a range of 37 meters. Some of its features also include radio control with explosion protection, work lights with explosion protection, personal protective equipment for the entire team, as well as stirring blades also for small openings. Large cow farms and contractors can use the Rotobagger RM8000, a potent agricultural tool that can process at least 10,000 tons of silage annually. It has a 2.40 meter rotor and a 2.70 meter tunnel, and its feeding, cutting, and collection are all handled by a strong hydraulic system. Hydraulic four-wheel drive and precise control and maneuverability are provided by the machine's steering and steering system, respectively. The double brake for pressure control and the feed table with rubber belt enables safe operation while ensuring a smooth feeding process. The machine has 2 beater bars for chopping and a transport drawbar that's certified for that use. It also features a steel backstop, wide tires, and a crane with an electrical winch. The crane is always ready for use, and the machine meets EU safety standards with a CE sign. Next up, this is the Foet Crawler FWF-93 and FWF-94. These two machines are dubbed as the most powerful mobile winch vehicles in the world. These machines are manufactured at the Poswell site by the Walter Fokkesgård GmbH. It's known for its patented technology called Squeakmatic, which is possible for the machine to deliver maximum tractive forces and ensure a long service life. It also has other impressive features. For example, the Foet Crawler FWF-93 is designed to be able to generate immense tractive forces. It also has a powerful cable winch that produces a tractive force of up to 90 tons, which allows it to function in multiple tasks and applications. Speaking of multiple tasks, the versatility of this machine is also no joke. This machine is designed to function well even when facing challenging environments. Thanks to its large bearing surface facilitated by rubber tracks with a low bearing load of just 0.32 kilograms centimeters squared, these machines are able to provide efficient operation even on substances with poor support, including marshland areas. With an impressive ground clearance of 700 millimeters, the Foet Crawler minimizes impact and ensures minimal damage to delicate terrains. The Foet Crawler FWF-93 is a heavy-duty vehicle that is designed to be road-friendly. This indicates that, as a result of its smart design and construction, it can be driven on highways without causing harm to the road surface. This feature increases the Foet Crawler's capability and makes it possible to move it quickly between task sites without causing delays or needing additional road repairs. The Foet Crawler FWF-93 offers a wide range of performance features and applications that increase its utility in a variety of sectors. Some notable uses include towing Foet Lang plows with consistent force, proving traction support for both wheeled and crawler plows, facilitating the installation of sewer pipes while crossing water bodies, assisting in traction work during pipe rehabilitation, supporting and retrieving drilling rods during horizontal drilling processes, performing cable winch work of any kind, and tackling traction work on challenging terrains. This is the Bale Boss 4 Tube Line Manufacturing. They're known for offering one of the best products and services when it comes to handling and feeding bales on farms. They can offer products such as bale wrappers, bale processors, bale feeders, and hay handling equipment. However, they are more known for their bale wrappers. The bale wrappers by Bale Boss 4 Tube Line Manufacturing are designed to assist in wrapping round bales and plastic film. This is intended for easier and more effective bale storage and preservation. Then, once the bales need to be used for livestock bedding or feeding purposes, they also have bale processors that can help in shredding and distributing bales. In this way, bales are delivered to the livestock without spending too much time and without having so much waste after too. The products of Tube Line are indeed a great addition when it comes to productivity and efficiency in the agricultural industry. They have hay handling equipment including products like accumulator systems and grapple attachments for easy bale stacking and transport, hence making sure that farms have reliable and innovative solutions for bale handling and feeding. Have you ever heard of forest fires? If you've seen one in real life or just in the news, it's quite obvious how hard it is to extinguish one, right? The forest is full of materials that are easily caught on fire. Good thing the market now has companies aiming to solve this problem. One of them is the Suffle Smart Skidder. With this machine, it does not only promise to extinguish forest fires, but also provide a solution that can withstand even the impassable terrains. This is the Forest Fire Kit add-on, which is a mounting system for the Smart Skidder. This makes it possible for the equipment to go through the most difficult and challenging terrains where the normal-sized firefighting vehicles can't pass through. Operators don't also have to worry about its capacity because it can be attached with an 800 IBC, which acts as a water tank as well as a standardized fire brigade portable pump. Furthermore, the attachment has logistical benefits. On the one hand, unique forest fire containers, pallets, or lattice boxes with Euro or industrial pallet dimensions can be easily moved into the forest thanks to the pallet attachment. The skid attachment, on the other hand, enables the connection of modules like power generators or dirty water vacuum cleaners. The technology used by the typical fire brigade is compatible with these accessories, which are standardized to meet fire brigade standards. There is no need for additional adapter parts as a result. The storage box has enough for small equipment as well. The Smart Skidder is ubiquitous throughout the forest thanks to its small size. The radio remote control, which has a 100-meter range, makes operation simple. The Boeing 707 is one of the most historic aircrafts in the aviation history. This incredible aircraft was a 4-engine commercial jet airliner manufactured by Boeing and made its first flight during the year 1954. It took a lot of flights, but also had to come to a stop. Now, when aircrafts are no longer in use, they usually dismantle it. This is what happened to the Boeing 707 you see in the video. This 65-year-old Boeing 707-400 was scrapped at Hamburg-Fluechenbüttel Airport on the June 10th, 2021. Usually, the process of dismantling commercial planes will require certain machines, technology, and even techniques. In this particular video, they made use of the Chemrock diamond saw and used a technique called cold cutting. This refers to the process of using hydraulic shears, band saws, reciprocating saws, and abrasive water jet cutting machines to cut through a material. The diamond saw was used because it can cut through a lot of materials like concrete, reinforced concrete, rock and fiberglass reinforced plastic, and more without generating excessive heat. Chemrock has been a great provider for cutting tools and attachments for 20 years already. The people involved in this whole process choose to cut through the aircraft because as much as they wanted to dismantle it, they're aware of its historical contribution. Hence, they just opted for cutting it so other parts can be preserved for auction in September 2021. The Chemrock diamond saw was perfect for it because it's efficient and has intense precision too. Up next, this is Pavelli, a company that offers a range of custom trailers. Depending on the needs and the application, their trailers have different features that can help the project. Pavelli offers various trailer models, including enclosed trailers, utility trailers, call haulers, equipment trailers, and more. They're not only famous because of these features, but also because of their durability and functionality. These trailers are incredible when it comes to raising productivity and efficiency. Aside from that, the operators can also customize these trailers. They can choose what features, sizes, configurations, and finishes based on their requirements. Favelli is also successful in providing quality construction of trailers using materials such as steel frames, aluminum exteriors, and high-quality components. Next is this potato harvester with an intense operating level. This is the DeWolf CP42, and it has a couple of features that machine enthusiasts should probably see. First of all, it has a state-of-the-art harvesting technology called the CP42 to lift and separate the potatoes from the soil. This technology makes use of a combination of digging webs, sheaving webs, shaking rollers, and cleaning modules to ensure optimal harvest results. Even with this, it still manages to harvest in a gentle way to minimize damage. This is all thanks to the axial rollers and rubber webs that help reduce bruising and preserve the quality of harvested potatoes. This also increases productivity to a lot of levels because it's high capacity and can cover large areas quickly and efficiently. Depending on what potato variety and field condition the farm has, the operator can adjust the machine's configuration to fit the different needs and requirements. A hay rake called the Inorossi Maximus is made for quickly and effectively raking different kinds of forage crops. It has a central joint and a V-frame design that improves ground adaptation and allows for excellent performance even on rough terrain. Depending on the particular model or configuration selected, the working width may change. The forage material is gathered and moved by the rake's rotating tines, creating windrows that can be processed further or baled. To handle various crop circumstances, some models could have adjustable features including the tine angle, working height, and rotor speed. Products made by Inorossi are renowned for their dependability and high-quality craftsmanship, which guarantees enduring performance. Conver provides a selection of weed harvesters built to remove aquatic weeds and plants effectively. These weed harvesters can be used on a variety of water bodies, including lakes, ponds, reservoirs, and canals because they are made to float. Conver's weed harvesters efficiently chop and gather aquatic vegetation because they are outfitted with cutting and collecting systems. The weeds are then gathered within the machine and either disposed of or processed further. The goal of Conver's weed harvesters is to optimize productivity while avoiding damage to the aquatic habitat. They're designed for efficient operation. They can handle several varieties of aquatic flora and adjust to various water conditions. Conver could provide customization choices based on the model in order to satisfy various customer needs. This could include options for variable cutting widths, changeable cutting heights, and onboard storage or transportation of the removed weeds. Some Conver weed harvester models could include extra features in addition to their core capabilities. These can incorporate integrated GPS technology for accurate mapping and navigation, onboard conveyors for effective processing of the harvested vegetation, and hydraulic systems for simple maneuverability. These are just some of the crazy powerful and impressive machines operating at an insane level. If you want to learn more, you can go check out other videos from Lord Gizmo. You can also try to look at our separate video on the 10 coolest machines that actually exist.